We all have those moments in our lives once we feel as if everything has to be specifically right. It is these moments that we frequently talk to as special occasions. When it involves cookery for special occasions, many of us find that we drop the ball in our anticipation and feel as though we have ruined the moment. While this can be often off from reality, it does serve to diminish the moment in many of our minds. For this reason, you need to work up a repertoire, if you will, of simple-to-make special occasion cooking recipes. You will be shocked and amazed at all the sinfully rich and delicious meals and side dishes that are out there, that are amazingly quick and easy to prepare. This means that you simply won't run the only two common disaster situations that you simply hear concerning and can still manage to possess a beautiful meal that's enjoyed by all. The trick is in selecting a rather easy meat dish and dressing it up with the additional decadent facet dishes. Incredibly wealthy facet dishes that are easy to organize are bigger in variety than meat dishes that need very little cookery effort. You should additionally mind the audience for your special day. Sometimes a family favorite makes the occasion appear way more special than associate complete effort for chicken cooks or meat marsala. There is no purpose in reaching to associate extreme effort to make a cookery masterpiece if it's reaching to be riddled with fastidious kids proclaiming that they are doing not like this or that about your meal. Another nice plan once it involves cookery for special occasions is to organize the maximum amount as doable before time to alleviate the pressure throughout the event, and to allow you more time to enjoy the event rather than dealing with the details of meal preparation. The greatest gift you'll provide yourself once cookery for special occasions is that the time necessary to get pleasure from these special occasions. This is to not say that there isn't some cookery that may have to be compelled to be done. Foods that may be ready before time and left over simply before serving are usually the simplest once it involves cookery for special occasions. There are all kinds of appetizers, entrees, and desserts that will work perfectly in this particular instance. You can usually notice them by acting an easy Google search online or by sorting through several of your favorite cookbooks' reception. The necessary issue is that you simply don't get thus wedged within the plan of cookery for special occasions that you simply forget to truly get pleasure from the occasion. If this is not the way you prefer to do perfectly understandable things. Some of us do thrive in high-stress situations. The key for people who favor doing all the meal preparation once cookery for special occasions at the time of cookery is coming up with properly and permitting many time for possible hiccups in the process. Mistakes occur once folks feel rush and overhasty in their cookery efforts. Another common mistake that's created once cookery for special occasions is cookery outside of your temperature. When you are making ready a difficult formula, it's best if you are doing this throughout a time once you don't seem to be surfing the strain of potential guests or ensuring the best possible of circumstances. In different words, it is best to challenge your culinary talents when you do not have a vested interest in success. Special occasions area unit an excellent time for friends and family. The hope is that you just can have several special occasions throughout your life. Do not waste too much time and energy fretting over cooking for special occasions. Instead, place all of your effort into enjoying those occasions.